In this video, I will quickly show you how to configure Apple Pay on Stripe to accept payments from iPhone and other Apple devices. First, go to the Stripe website and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, go to Settings and find the Payment Methods section. Next, locate Apple Pay and enable this payment option. Make sure your website uses HTTPS, since Apple Pay only works on secure websites. If you use Stripe checkout or payment links, Apple Pay is usually enabled automatically after activating the payment method. If you use a custom integration, you may need to verify your domain inside the Stripe dashboard. After that, save the settings and test the payment using a compatible Apple device. Once configured, customers will be able to pay quickly and securely using Apple Pay. And that's it. Now you know how to configure Apple Pay on Stripe easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.